just now that I realized na si Shine pala has been growing that way. She's really smart, like, she sees the world in a different perspective kasi napaka-artistic niya. Unlike any one of us na very medical-oriented, si Shine, iba talaga siya, as in, iba niya see ang world, no?
Si Shine kasi very independent person siya. Tsaka lang siya hihingi ng tulong sa amin kapag hindi na niya kaya. So, most of the time, naiiwan namin siyang mag-isa lang.
Aside from being smart, she's also very generous, no? Nakita ko yun nung elementary pa lang siya. Bibigyan namin siya ng baon, tapos bibigyan niya yung classmates niya ng baon niya.
Very, very low maintenance na bata. Kung ano lang yung kailangan niya, yun lang yung talagang hihingin niya. Hindi siya yung bata na hihingi ng more than what she needs. And we're very thankful na kahit hindi namin itinuro sa kanya yun, natutunan niya on her own.
Far and wide, gentle at heart, a little tender and sentimental. Here she is this evening as a young lady blossoming with grace and wit, and of course, 18.
Happy birthday, Shine!
Happy birthday, Shine! We love you!
Happy birthday, Shine!
Si Shine po, yan ay napakabait na bata, tahimik, hindi po siya problemado ng pamilya kasi lagi po lang siyang pagkakagaling sa school, nasa study room.
Very diligent mag-aral, nagiging siya lagi ang group leader sa kanilang group work. Gustong-gusto namin na sa UP pumasok. Pero mayroon siyang kanyang gusto, multimedia arts. At hindi namin hinadlangan yung kanyang gustong marating.
So, ang wish ko sa kanya is huwag siyang matatakot na magkamali kasi yun yung kukulma, mag-perform sa kung anong klaseng person siya. That will make her stronger. Kung ano man yung track in life na pinili niya, maging successful siya. And we're always just here for you. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, pagdadaanan mo pa, kapag hindi mo kaya, we're just always here. Sasabi ka lang, love you.
Ang wish ko kay Shine, since magmamanila na siya, super baby ko talaga si Shine, hindi ko maisip na mawawala siya sa paningin ko. So, hindi ko sure kung marunong siya magsaing. Pinili namin siya na rice cooker, pero I'm not sure kung gagamitin niya yon. Pero I hope everything she needs is provided dahil nga she's going to be far away from us. I hope na if anything goes wrong, sa lahat ng troubles na ma-experience si Shine, she just always have to call mom or dad or lolo or lola. And she just always have to remember that she can go home anytime. And we're always, always there for her. So, happy 18th birthday, Shine. We love you so much. Always remember that.
There's something different in the air. No matter where we go from here. Now our time has come. So let's just run.